So these days what I'm seeing is everybody wants to make videos and start their own YouTube channel. You might want to be like a travel vlogger, lifestyle vlogger, or even a moto vlogger, but let me tell you, no matter where you go, shoot videos and make your content, if your audio quality is not that good, it won't bring that a good impact, guys. See the baat no bakwas, audio quality is like very important for you. And if you're also someone who's looking like how you should improve your audio quality, well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I've got a perfect product to show you all, guys. So this brand called Deity has made a new microphone especially for all the vloggers and content creators on YouTube. And the special thing about this mic that sets it apart from the usual microphones is it's got a new dual microphone concept. It's got two microphones on it, one on the front and one more at the back side, and can record audio from both the front and back at the same time. Like, how cool is that, guys? Very useful, because we vloggers, when we interact with people, we need to record audio from both the directions, the person talking in front of us and our own audio. At those places, this can be like super useful. Not just vloggers, it can be useful for a lot of other people as well, which I'll be telling you at a later part. And yes, not just that, guys, it also has some other cool features as well, which I'll be telling you in this video. So let's quickly get started. So Deity is a popular brand that makes a lot of professional quality microphones for all the filmmakers and content creators. So D4 Duo is a brand new model in their lineup. And as I've told you just now, guys, the D4 Duo comes with a new patented dual capsule microphone design. And the best part about this microphone is it doesn't require any battery, guys. You don't need to insert any battery into this microphone. It directly runs on the 3-volt plug-in power, which it gets from the camera itself. You just need to connect it to the camera using this provided 3.5mm cable, and that's it. You're like all good to go. It comes in this simple white and yellow packaging, and in the package you get this microphone. Here you go. This is how the Deity D4 microphone looks like. Very small, very lightweight, excellent build quality. We'll just come back to this in a moment. And along with that, it comes with two dead cats. You also get a custom Rycote shock mount, and lastly a 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable. So these were all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me tell you about the design and the build quality of this microphone. So guys, this is how the Deity's D4 Duo shotgun microphone looks like. It's a very compact, lightweight microphone, and the build quality of this product is very nice. Top-notch quality, complete metal construction, and has hammer paint texture, which makes it look like very premium. And this thing is also like very lightweight, guys, only around 40 grams. So you can just easily throw it in your pocket or in your backpack and carry it anywhere. It's mainly made for on-the-go run and gun filmmakers. Now if you talk about the features available on it, you've got the Deity microphone branding on the front over here, and at the top side, if you can see, there's a switch that lets you switch between the microphones. So if you slide the switch towards the left, only the front microphone will be on and the rear microphone will be off. So it functions like any other microphone and captures audio only from the front direction. Now if you want to capture audio from both the front and the back side, just push this switch towards the right side and then both the microphones will be enabled. And one more thing I have to tell you over here is, when you're recording audio using both the microphones, both the capsules, then the front microphone audio will be recorded in the left channel, whereas the rear microphone audio will be recorded in the right channel. See, why the brand has done this is to offer you a lot of flexibility during post-processing, guys, post-editing. That is actually very thoughtful of them. And if you see towards the left side, you can see two ports over here. One is an input port, a 3.5mm input port, where you can connect some external microphone, like maybe a lavalier microphone. And one more thing you have to keep in mind over here is, whenever you connect an external lavalier microphone, the internal rear microphone's audio will be cut off, and the audio from the external lavalier microphone will be recorded on the right channel. And if you talk about the output port, see, from here you need to connect to the camera, using that provided 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable in the box. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. That was our overview on this D4 Duo microphone. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly connect this to my camera, and then we'll do a quick performance test and see how the microphones on them perform. Okay, so as you can see, my whole setup is ready to go. I've connected the Deity's D4 microphone to my Sony a7 III, and it's all good to go for our test. See, it's very easy to use microphone, guys. No batteries needed, as I've told you at the beginning of this video. Just connect this wire from the microphone to the camera's microphone input, and that's it. You're all good to go. What I'll do is I'll quickly switch the microphone from my camera to this shotgun D4 Duo microphone, and then you'll get to check out the audio quality on it. Let's get started. Hello check, this is Vimal here from Tech Review HD, and we're right now testing the microphone quality of the front capsule on the D4 Duo, and this is how it sounds like. Hello check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, check check, testing. So guys, this is how the microphone quality on it sounds like, and let me tell you right now, the switch on it is set to the first position, which means the rear microphone, the rear capsule is turned off and only the front capsule is on. So audio is only being recorded from the front side, and this is how it sounds like. Do let me know what do you think about the audio quality of this microphone in the comment section down below. And by the way, if you ask about the polar pickup pattern, well, both the capsules on it have a cardioid polar pickup pattern. That means it records audio mostly from the front direction only, and going to the sides it records a bit less and very less at the back side. I'll give you a test of polar pickup pattern as well right now. What I'll do is I'll just keep rotating the camera 360 degrees so you'll get to know how it records audio from all the directions. So here we go. Hello check, 1 2 3. Hello check, 1 2 3. Right now the microphone is sideways and this is how it picks up my audio. Hello check, 1 2 3, and now the audio microphone is completely facing opposite direction. Hello check, 1 2 3. Hello check, hello check, and now we're back to the initial position. Well, this was our polar pickup pattern test. So that's it. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly toggle the switch to the second position and also turn on the rear capsule on it, and we'll check out the audio quality when both the front and the back rear microphone are turned on. Let me quickly do that. Okay, so now the microphone is in the second mode where both the capsules, the front and the rear ones are turned on and recording audio from both the sides. So as I've told you at the beginning guys, the audio from the front capsule is recorded in the left channel and the audio from the rear capsule is recorded in the right channel. And this is how the audio quality on it sounds like. Hello check, 1 2 3. Audio testing on DT-D4 microphone from the front capsule, and this is how it sounds like. Hello check, 1 2 3. Do let me know what do you think about the audio quality in the comment section down below. Now let's just switch over and check out the rear microphone quality as well. So this is how the audio quality from the rear microphone sounds like. Hello check, 1 2 3. We are right now testing the rear microphone's audio quality on the DT-D4 Duo. Hello check, testing 1 2 3. So guys, this is how the audio quality on it sounds like. Well, switching back to the front one, here you go. Let's also do a quick polar pattern test. 1 2 3 check. As you can see, I'm rotating the camera right now, and this is how the audio on it sounds like. Right now we're facing sideways and the microphone is picking up the audio from both the front and the back, and this is how it sounds like. Now going back to the rear again. Hello check, 1 2 3. Hello check check, DT-D4 audio test, and back again to the front. Well, that's it guys, that was our quick polar pattern test as well using the DT-D4 Duo. Well, that's it for today. That was my video on our brand new microphone from DAT, the D4 Duo. It's a very good microphone, portable, lightweight, and love that dual mic concept. Offers a lot of useful features as well, like you can add your own external microphones to it, like an external lavalier mic or even a wireless one as per your convenience. And the best part is it doesn't require any external battery guys, just runs on that plug-in power from your camera. Also, one more thing, if you observed in the video, the gain on the rear capsule on this microphone was less compared to the gain on the front capsule. See, the front capsule quality was very good. It was like offering great voice clarity with very minimum background noise. But the only thing I felt was, just as I've told you, the gain was a bit less on the rear capsule. Now what my assumption is, DAT has purposely kept the gain low over here because this microphone is like usually very close to the cameraman, right? So to avoid audio clipping, they might have reduced the gain and kept it low compared to the front. Now that is what my assumption is. Let's see what DAT has to say about this. And also, if you ask about the price, I felt the price of this microphone is a bit on the expensive side. It costs around like 7,990 rupees in the Indian market. If the price was a bit lower guys, I'm telling you, it would have been a killer microphone in the competition. Well, that is pretty much it guys. That was our video on this product. I hope you all really enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.